Hi guys, so in this video I want to give you an overview for this OMPHobby M2 helicopter, which I modified. I have removed the stock flybarless unit and I have mounted the uSpirit unit. I have kept the default ESC. While I was looking through the Spirit forums, then there was a guy which helped me to do this pinout. To figure out the pinout from the ESC, and I managed to connect to this Spirit unit. You can see that I have removed the metal cover, the upper metal cover for the default box, and I have 3D printed the plastic one. There are a couple of things which are not perfect. For example, this wire should bring the RPM readings from the ESC to the unit, but currently it's not working. So this is a problem because I cannot set up the governor, and the RPM is really it's really bad when I'm flying. I'm still in the testing phase, but this is one thing which bothers me. One other thing that may be worth mentioning, while I was doing the setup wizard for the unit, there is one step when you need to set up the 6 degree for cyclic range, and I was not able to do that on the OMPHobby mechanics. I was only able to get it to 3.5 degrees with a decent value in their setup there. So that's another problem. But anyway, even though I have this 3.5 degree settings in that step, the cyclic is really good and it flies well. The only real issue that I have now with this unit is that I don't get the RPM readings on this wire. The other alternative for this unit would be the micro brain, but I decided to go with the Spirit because at the time I took this decision, there was a discussion on their forum to implement the anti-gravity feature, which is works very, very nice for this size of for this helicopter size. Maybe you know already that the V-Bar implemented this anti-gravity feature, especially for Logo 200, the exact same helicopter. So then I decided to pick up the Spirit unit, and I didn't yet tested that feature because I'm still in the tuning and tuning phase and setting everything up phase. But despite these issues that I had and I still have with this unit, I think it's promising. It looks promising. We're gonna give it a short flight so that you understand what I mean. Yeah, so stay tuned for the flight and see you. So this is what happens when you don't have a governor. The RPM drops and you lose, it's not predictable. And also the rates are, I mean, I'm just a bit more than they recommend for the upper range of the rates, and really the flip and roll rate is really low. I'm full deflection now and look, barely flips. Maybe this also, this is also because I have the cyclic at 3.5 setting rather than 6, but still. Anyway, I mean, the unit, the helicopter feels nice, and the cyclic also burps a bit. I mean, it feels locked in and really promising, but there are some things to fix. Yeah, it looks like I lost the tail fin, but yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll keep you posted with my helicopter. See you. Bye.